Hi, welcome to Intervals. Today we'll be talking about scheduling saved views. This was previously called saved filters. Those filters still work the same, and now you can schedule that data to be sent to you whenever you want. We believe the more we can automate, the better, and with scheduling saved views, you can automate the delivery of your data. You can have the data you care about pushed to you whenever you want. You don't have to log into Intervals to get that data, and you can send the data to anyone, including non-Intervals users. If you're familiar with scheduling reports, then you'll be able to jump right in as they work the same way, and you'll find the functionality wherever you can save a view. Since we added this feature on top of saved views, it may be something that you didn't quite notice was now available, so we wanted to call it out. To show how this works, I'll use the task list page. On the left nav, click on the edit pencil next to saved views, and all of your saved views will be listed. And you can click on the calendar icon to schedule that information to be sent to you whenever you like, to any Intervals users or any email. Again, the email does not have to be associated to an Intervals account, which makes it super flexible. In the Saved Views dialog, the calendar icon indicates ones that have already been scheduled. And while we're here, I want to point out that if you're an administrator, you can share any of your saved views with all other administrators. So if you're the person who sets up the really cool, complicated filters, instead of going through the steps to show your colleagues how to create the filter, you can just share it with them. And from here, you can also send everyone a message letting them know why you sent it to them without having to navigate out of the system to notify them via your email client. Another big time saver. The filters you can create are pretty vast, so to get you thinking outside of the box of what you think may be available to you, we'll show you a few examples of filters that our customers find valuable. The first common saved view is mainly used by customers that use Intervals as a ticketing system, and they like to show their clients, these are the requests you sent us that were closed for a given time frame. In this example, we use closed yesterday. To create some of these saved views, you'll want to navigate to Advanced Search. It can be accessed either in the footer or in the left nav. Once we're in Advanced Search, we select the specific client, and then we choose Closed as the status yesterday, and the dates will stay relative to the date run. After running the filter, click on Save Schedule This View, name it, and select Schedule and determine when and who to send it to, and any message you may want to include with it as well. And to tie it back to this example, you may want to send it daily so every morning the client will see which of their requests were closed yesterday. The second common use case we want to share with you is send my queue attendants an email that there are work requests that have not been assigned as tasks belonging to a certain client each day at 4 p.m. Here we have a filter with a specific client selected. This shows all the items in the request queue for the specific client, aka they haven't been assigned as tasks. Click the calendar icon to set the schedule, select every day at 4 p.m., choose your request queue attendance, and a little note if you prefer, they will now get a list of these items every day at 4 p.m. The last example we'll show is send me all overdue invoices every Monday at 8 a.m. You don't want to forget to collect your money. So here we have a client selected and the status is set to overdue, and then just simply schedule it to be emailed to you every Monday at 8 a.m. A side note here, this list can be sorted by oldest outstanding invoice to most recent. Just be sure to click on this column to sort when you're creating the view and then save it. It will save whatever sort order you have when you're saving the view, and we'll use that going forward for data that is scheduled to be sent or when clicking on this view in the future. This is just one example. Sort ordering can be defined for your saved views anywhere the data can be sorted. One last example we want to quickly show is scheduling saved views from the homepage calendar. Some people may like to see their tasks that are coming due in a calendar view, and you can easily do that as well. Play around with scheduling of saved views and let us know what you have found useful to you and your team. We love hearing the creative ways you all use intervals. We can be reached at support@myintervals.com. You can also email us with any questions you may have. Have a great day.